What's up, gang? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Ruby Smooth in the building. We out here in a big body now. You heard? So, I don't know what this video is gonna be about, but I'm about to meet up with the guys right now at the car wash. So let's see what they doing. You just woke up, bro?
Last order.
Yeah, bro. Man, yeah, better, bro.
Nah, ya lo puse. Yo, puse. Burn out. Back. Niggas love you, bro. I lo llevo todo.
Goals. Beef.
Project Impact.
Hey. Shit, my ratchet, bro.
Nigga,
Suck my
electric.
dick. A puñeta.
Puñeta.
No, you're Supreme though. Yo, I got a bigger sticker actually.
The wing, bro.
Nigga.
Big ass wing.
Nadie con tu inside. I was the first will be like that, but it'll be inside. What is that?
Damn, it smells good back here, bro.
Strawberry, bro.
Damn.
Well, everyone's just putting in work.
I put it in the hole.
I got the Project Impact air pressure fighting thing, the old one. Yeah.
Gotta need one, bro.
What, you getting back?
But I'm there. For the RL. Nigga, bro. The bag's gonna stay back there.
Yeah, he should be.
I thought that I'll put pizza in this shit.
I should. I got it done.
Yeah, what shit?
You don't.
Te meto un cajón de
My
cosas.
shit, bro. Nigga, chill.
Quiero pagar más comida. Ahora que cuando uno de eso.
Yeah.
The Castilla, the pro cover, put over it, yeah. I remember like 90 bucks.
Yo, ratchet. Ratchet.
I got two.
Damn, bro. So if y'all ain't know, this guy got rid of the S2K and fucked up his CRV now. Sheesh.
to work.
Yo, Douglas, light up the CRV, bro.
Let me use that shit. I'm gonna run up on you.
Nigga, I have one in every car, nigga.
For real?
No bullshit.
Nigga. This nigga got
What you
too
need
much.
one for?
He's too much, bro. He got too much haters.
Haters.
Oh, this nigga hate though. What is this shit? It smells good.
Nigga, I was alcohol.
Marijuana, nigga.
You drink it?
You don't know about that.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, you know that was when you came back from DR, nigga?
I brought that?
Yeah, nigga. When you went. I'm trying this.
En el Bronx. La parada ya de Manhattan.
What is good, gang? It's another day, and I'm gonna try to make the wide body kit look a little better today. So if you guys remember, so I got some Downstar hardware, but these they like stand out too much, so I kind of want to change them. I got these black ones. So I got these, and I got some washers that I'm gonna paint black. So I'm gonna see how that goes out. I'm gonna see how it looks. Hopefully, you know, it doesn't pop out as much as these do, because these are kind of like too much. So first step is to paint all of these, and then once these rise up, I'll just switch them out one for one. Alright, so these are now painted fresh. So I got those black ones, and then I'm going to put these black screws on. So let's get it. What do you guys think? Black or silver? So look how this fender looks. I like this setup way more. It looks way more, you know, sleek and, you know, smooth, and compared to this side where it just, you know, it pops out too much. And this side, you know, fresh. Oh, you remember that rubber piece I had here? I'm gonna tape up each side and do like a bead of black silicone right here, and then that should make it look so much better. This looks so much better. But anyways, check it out, bro. Fresh. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. Look at the other side. You get me? Like that one screw right there, it pops out so much. And all of these, and then you see over here, fresh. You didn't even know that screw's there. Where is it? I don't know. It's right there. But yeah, look at this. So I'm gonna bring out the other side, and then I'm gonna put this on in between silicone. You get me? It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice, bro. Just trust the process. So I got this side all complete. Looks marvelous. So as you can see, I started masking off like the edges. That way I could just lay a beam of silicone right there. I already got this side masked off smooth. So you see, I left a little bit of space so I don't put too much, and then it's gonna be fresh, bro, all around, and even between the kits. What's up, guys? So it's the next day. I forgot to do an outro, so let me show you guys how it came out. There's some parts I still gotta go back and like touch up because it didn't come out too good, like the silicone. So, but check it out.